When it comes to maintaining the integrity of your home, few aspects are as crucial as your roof. As the primary line of defense against the elements, a well-maintained roof is essential for keeping your home safe, comfortable, and energy efficient. Whether you're dealing with a minor leak, significant storm damage, or simply looking to upgrade to a new roof, choosing professional roofing services in Warren, Michigan is an investment that pays off in both the short and long term. In this article, we'll explore the top benefits of hiring professional roofing contractors in Warren, Michigan, for your roof replacement or repair needs. Expert knowledge and experience. One of the most significant advantages of hiring professional roofing contractors is the level of expertise and experience they bring to the job. Roofing can be a complex and dangerous task, requiring in-depth knowledge of materials, construction techniques, and safety protocols. Professional roofers have the skills and training to handle even the most challenging roofing projects with precision and efficiency. In-depth knowledge. Experienced roofing contractors are familiar with the latest roofing materials, styles, and trends. They can recommend the best options for your home, taking into account factors such as your budget, climate, and aesthetic preferences. Efficient problem solving. Professional roofers are trained to quickly identify and address potential issues that might not be immediately visible to homeowners. Whether it's hidden water damage or structural concerns, their expertise ensures that your roof is thoroughly inspected and repaired or replaced to the highest standards. By hiring professional roofers, you can rest assured that your roof will be installed or repaired correctly, preventing costly mistakes or damage down the road. Quality materials and workmanship. When you work with a professional roofing company in Warren, you get access to high-quality roofing materials that ensure long-term durability and performance. Many roofing contractors have relationships with trusted suppliers, allowing them to source premium materials at competitive prices. Top-notch materials. Whether you opt for asphalt shingles, metal roofing, tile, or slate, professionals use materials that are designed to withstand the weather conditions in Warren, Michigan. High-quality roofing materials protect your home from rain, snow, wind, and UV rays, ensuring that your roof lasts for years to come. Skilled installation. Proper installation is key to the longevity of your roof. Professional roofing contractors have the tools, techniques, and experience necessary to install your roof according to the manufacturer's specifications. Incorrect installation can lead to leaks, poor ventilation, and premature wear, so it's crucial to rely on a professional team to get the job done right. Investing in quality materials and skilled installation ensures that your roof performs well and maintains its appearance for years. Increased home value. A new roof or a well-maintained roof is one of the most attractive features for potential buyers. If you're planning to sell your home or just want to increase its curb appeal, investing in professional roofing services can significantly boost your home's value. Curb appeal. A roof that is in excellent condition makes a strong first impression. Whether you are selling or just want to make your home look better, a well-installed roof enhances the overall aesthetic appeal of your home. Increased market value. Roofs are one of the most significant investments in a home. A professional roof replacement or repair can add considerable value to your property, ensuring that you get a higher return on investment, ROI, when it's time to sell. A well-maintained roof not only enhances the look of your home but also adds value, making it a smart financial investment. Safety and compliance with building code. Roofing projects can be dangerous, especially for those without the right training or equipment. Professional roofers follow strict safety standards and are equipped with the proper gear to minimize the risk of injury. Safety first. Roofing work requires working at heights and handling heavy materials. Roofing contractors are trained in safety practices and have the equipment necessary to protect themselves and others during the project. This reduces the risk of accidents that could result in costly injuries. Building code compliance. Local building codes in Warren, Michigan, dictate specific standards for roofing materials and installation methods. Professional contractors are familiar with these regulations and ensure that your roof is installed in compliance with them. This prevents potential issues with insurance claims, resale, and warranty coverage. By hiring a professional, you can rest easy knowing that your roof installation or repair will meet all safety requirements and adhere to local building codes. Warranty protection. One of the most compelling reasons to choose professional roofing services is the warranty that often comes with the installation or repair. Reputable roofing companies offer warranties that protect both the materials and the workmanship, providing peace of mind for homeowners. Manufacturer's warranty. Most quality roofing materials come with a warranty that covers defects and premature wear. A professional roofing contractor ensures that your materials are installed correctly to activate and uphold the warranty. Workmanship warranty. In addition to material warranties, many roofing companies offer a warranty on the work they perform. This means that if an issue arises due to improper installation, the contractor will come back to fix it at no additional cost. A warranty not only gives you peace of mind but also protects your investment, ensuring that any issues that arise are addressed promptly and at no extra cost. Time and cost saving. While it may seem like a DIY project would save you money, hiring a professional roofing company in Warren ultimately saves you time and money in the long run. Efficient and timely work. Professional roofers complete the job quickly and efficiently, minimizing disruptions to your daily life. They have the experience and tools to get the job done right the first time, avoiding the delays and mistakes that can occur with DIY projects. Cost-effective solutions. Although professional roofing services may have an upfront cost, they can save you money in the long term by preventing costly mistakes, reducing the risk of future repairs, and ensuring your roof lasts for many years. Conclusion. Investing in professional roofing services in Warren, Michigan provides numerous benefits, from expert knowledge and high-quality materials to increased home value and long-term cost savings. Whether you need a roof replacement, repair, or maintenance, professional contractors ensure that the job is done correctly, safely, and in compliance with local building codes. By choosing a trusted roofing company, you protect your home, enhance its curb appeal, and gain peace of mind knowing that your roof is built to last.